It's a sprinkler. Want me to do like a rapid fire?
You just do like 5 shots rapid. Go ahead. Okay. You jammed? No, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Just keep going. What's wrong with it? Is it on safety? It's just.
No, it's not on safety.
Did you load it? Oh shit. Hold on. Go. One more. It's like floating off. I don't know, it might not work because the chemical's not really like reacting.
Maybe we should just shoot it.
Well, here it goes, here it goes. There it goes. Holy shit!